What it do, baby boo? No, I'm playing. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Exquisite Life, where we live our life exquisitely, one plan at a time. We're about to hop right into our meal plan for... I gotta finish filling this out. That was cute. I love the way that one turned out. Okay. Focus, Sid. Focus. So we're gonna do our meal plan for July 20th through the 26th. If I can get my life together. If I can just get my life together. I'm going to use the OG Farmhouse sticker book. Which, I think today is the first time that I actually really pulled stickers from here and was like, oh, that was easy. Because, honey, let me tell you, it's not as cute as people want to say it is. Or just not for me. Let me just say it like that. Go ahead and do some whiting out. And I'm going to go ahead and start with, of course, y'all know I have pre-pulled some stickers, so don't be surprised or alarmed. Just our usual schmusual. So I'm going to go ahead and pop these headers down. And doing meal planning has really made it easy. Okay, you was beyond crooked. To adjust to the 75 hard challenge, which I talk about more in my health video, my wellness video, but I'm thinking I am going to do its own separate video for that, so I can sit with everything in front of me and thoroughly explain. So, I'm gonna go ahead and use my grocery script sticker that came out of my handwritten plans. And I know it's gonna block some of this foil off, but it was too cute not to use. So I'm trying to strategically place it where it only blocks off a certain amount of foil, and if it blocks off that thing, it'll block off the whole dot. Okay. Grocery, home, or household, whatever you prefer to call it. Then I'm gonna put my breakfast and my lunch orders. There's breakfast. Here's lunch. Got that, got that, got that. Now I'm gonna take this beautiful foil sticker, and do I want to put it this way? Yeah, I'll put it this way. Just gonna put that there. And y'all know I always got a quote for over here. So this is the quote I chose. Home is wherever you are. I'm just gonna take these little gold foil leaves and, you know, frame that out. Per usual. That's cute. Boom. That side of the page is done. Now let's go over here. And I'm gonna go ahead and take my headers. Go ahead and do I want to put them up here? Yeah, I'll put them right there. So the meal program that or regimen, I like that better, regimen, that I put myself on is to, whoa, didn't mean to do that, is to meal prep once a week and try to eat as much as I can at home. I can only eat out 2 times a week. So the cookbook that I'm using for my meal preps is this Cook Once, Eat All Week by Cassie Joy Garcia. Apparently she is a YouTuber. I actually heard about this book from, first time was at home with Keita, and then I saw it on Instagram a few times after that. So far we have done week 1, and I like it because she literally, let me turn to the page. Okay. Yeah, here it is. So literally there's 3 main ingredients every week, and you can switch around and use whatever you want to use, and there's always 2 bonus dinner recipes. So what I'm trying to do to the best of my abilities and go in order. So we did week 1, and so far the first meal we loved. I'm going to cook the second meal today. So, and it's good that I did my Costco, put my paperclip back. So, sorry, I got caught up. It's good that I did my Costco run already and got a lot of meat, because I actually have ground beef, ground turkey. I may have to go and get meat. Yeah, I'm gonna have to purchase meat next week. But so far, so good. So the 3 meals we're gonna be cooking this week are spinach artichoke mezza. Never heard of that, but it sounds pretty good. Enchilada stuffed zucchini bolts. FYI, I really don't like zucchini, but I'm taking one for the team because I gotta do what I gotta do. And then ground beef stroganoff. And this has zucchini in it as well. And I don't like the feel of mushrooms in my mouth, but I like the flavor. But gotta do what you gotta do. So those are the meals that we're gonna be cooking this week out of that cookbook, which, like I said, so far I love. And let's get back to decorating, shall we? So, Sunday is usually our eat out day, because that's usually the day that I do go grocery shopping. So I'm just going to post that off to the side. And then this what's for dinner. I'm going to go ahead and slap that right on top there. And now to the embellishing of all things. Yes. Because that's what we do here. We like to embellish and make things pretty. So I got some more of these rose gold flowers, honey. And I think I might do like a semi-recreation of when I did the middle. Yeah, I'm liking that. Okay. So that means y'all gonna have to move. Or do I just, nope, I won't move them. I'll just white out the numbers. Because you really don't need them, if you want me to be honest. Because we don't really even use this side of the page. It must be getting close to lunch because my stomach is raw. Let me grab my jelly roll. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and start trying to fade this line out. And that's why I have 2 jelly roll pens. So when one starts to act up, I just switch to the other one. Okay. So what I need to do is plan this out right. Go ahead and try to see. There we go. Uh-oh. Didn't nobody tell you to stick yet? Dang, let me get it together, Becky. Okay. Yeah. And then cut off this little stem. I don't know why they make the stem so long on these things. Okay, let me do it like this. I just don't like this little part right here. That's the problem. Okay. And I am determined to make this work. It's a good thing when you overlap it. Or what if, wait a minute now. There it is right there. Look at that. Boom, baby. Okay. Now all I gotta do is just oh yeah, that's cute. Yes, girl, you did that. Girl, sometimes you be doing that. Sometimes you surprise the hell out of me. Okay. Okay. Now let's jump in here and see if we have any other little accents we can add. Okay, we got these. I think that's it, y'all. Child, this book falling apart, child. Oh! Just kidding. I'm just gonna move this one up a little bit so it don't seem. There we go. The other ones I really don't want to use. Big holes. Yep, I think that's it. I think that's it. Oh no. Because it needs a quote over here. Just to, you know, put it all together. There we go. Okay. That's cute. I like it. I like it, like it, like it a lot. All right. So, what is crooked? Am I crooked? Is the camera crooked? What's going on? The camera was crooked. A little bit. I was like, what is really going on here? All right. So here is our meal plan. Really? Here's our meal plan for July 20th through the 26th, 2020. Doing our cook once, eat all week. Hitting our 75 hard. No stop in sight. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Please live your life exquisitely. Bye now.